Hi there, welcome to week 7 of class. This week we're talking about Web 2.0 technologies and collaborative learning. This is a week that's very near and dear to my heart because this is a lot of focus of what I do with schools outside of this. It's the idea of utilizing free web resources that are out there. Some paid, some not, but I focus mainly on free. As I always say, we're the only profession that steals from home to bring to work. And the idea of collaborative learning, the idea of front of classroom instruction is a thing of the past. That is not something that we are really doing anymore, or really shouldn't be doing anymore, or should be moving away. It's the idea that we're going to go from the sage on the stage to the guide on the side. And how can we do that with the tools that are out there? So this week's real focus is looking at what tools are you currently using, what's available out there. One of my personal website that I run is mikestechnologycloset.com. And I have over 100 free web resources that for teachers on that website. It's the idea of utilizing those tools and the idea of no longer front of room instruction, which there is a place for that and there is a need. But it's the idea that once front of room instruction is done, how are we getting the students to learn with a deeper understanding of what it is that they're learning in a collaborative environment? Because the number one thing employers are looking for now is collaboration. A research study was done about a year and a half ago of the 500 top CEOs in the world. And when the question was asked of what is the number one skill that you want your new employees to have coming in, and that answer was collaboration. They want to know that their employees can work together, not necessarily in a desk sitting next to each other or in a boardroom, but the idea that we can look even at global collaboration. The idea that your team might be spread out over multiple states, cities, countries, continents, for even that, and be able to get the work done. And that's a lot of it's done through online learning, online tools, everything from video conferencing to just something like a Google Doc. So those are the things we want to look at this week, kind of talk about, that aspect of learning and what we need to do to change. And I think this can be one of the fastest growing areas, that we're going to be focusing on, because it's a pedagogical shift to talk about collaborative learning, not cooperative learning, but collaborative learning. And then it's going to be done through these tools. So let's talk throughout the week, see where we go, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.